Hello everyone, welcome to Code. Today we'll be learning a new software called Canva. Canva is a design platform wherein you can design anything from scratch. May it be logos, may it be presentations, may it be social media posts, everything that can be designed is on Canva. So today we'll be learning 5 tips and tricks that are unknown and let's see where it goes. So the first thing that you guys have to do is come to the dashboard, open canva.com. This is how your dashboard will look. You'll see there are n number of templates available. You have video, you have presentation, you have logos, you have Instagram post. For today's video, we'll be opening Instagram post. Once that is opened, you can see that there are a lot of given templates as well. These are some templates that I have recently used. Other than that, you also get a lot of recommendations like what all templates that you can use, or if not, you can also design anything from scratch here. For example, if you want to create a post for summer, you'll just go to elements and you'll type summer and you'll see a lot of elements here. All of these images, all of these graphics can be used in your post. So today I'll be teaching you the first tip, that is, for example, if you're taking an image and you just want the image here and not the background. So there is one trick that we designers do, is that we go to edit image, we remove the background, we click on BG remover and it automatically removes the background. You'll see that the background is removed and only the object is remaining. It takes some time, but then once it's done, you'll see it on your canvas exactly like this. Now the second tip that we learned today is, if you remember that we opened the canvas for an Instagram post, but for example if you want to change or resize the size of the template, what you can do is you can click on resize, and for resizing also Canva has its own templates available. For example, if you want to make a poster, you can just click on poster and the resizing will happen automatically. If it's a Facebook cover, everything you can choose from here that you want, even Instagram story. So let's click on Instagram story and we'll click on resize. So you see the whole canvas has been resized and you can adjust your object accordingly. Now coming to the third tip for the day, we for example want to overlap an image. So for example, you have removed the background, but now you want to add something else in the background. For example, you want to add a sun. So you can just click on elements, type sun, and a background object will appear. But now you can see that the object is overlapping the other object, but you want it behind that. So the third tip for the day is that you click on position and there are a lot of options. There is a forward button, but it is already forward, so you can click on backward. And yeah, you'll see that the sun is now behind our first object that we created. You can adjust the size. And this is how something it will look. Now coming to the fourth tip of the day, we need to add a text over here. So we click on text. Now you can see there are n number of templates available for this as well. There are n number of sizes available. For example, there's a heading, there's a subheading, and there's a little body text as well. But what we can do is we can also use these given templates here. So if, for example, if you click on beach place, see, this is how it will look. You can change the text as per your convenience. For example, if you want to write summer, so you see that the text template is not changing, but we are only changing the word. So here also you can do the same thing. We can write vibes. And concluding with the fifth tip here, for example, if you see that there's a lot less gap here in between these words. So what you can do is you can click on spacing here. You click on spacing and you increase the spacing here. Doing the same for this one. You can keep doing this until you feel like it looks good as per your convenience. And yeah, the end result will be something like this. We can increase the number of size, and one added tip would be like you can ungroup this and then also you can increase the size or the spacing, I must say. See, it looks much better now. Guys, this is how your end design will look. However, you can still play with a lot of fonts. Here, for example, if you click on pool party, you can add that as well. You can change the text as I showed below, and you can change the colors, make it more lively. You can play with a lot of things on Canva. Keep watching for more design tips. Thank you.